Hello everyone and welcome back to Ruby Blythe's North Studio. Today I have something very special waiting for us, and I have to admit I've been looking forward to opening this one for quite some time. Just look at this beautiful box. The artwork alone makes it feel like we're about to open a little storybook. And inside we have Pullip doll, inspired by the wonderful artwork of Kayo Horaguchi. I absolutely love the dreamy, whimsical feeling of this design. There are flowers, butterflies, little magical creatures, and so many beautiful details that I don't even know where to look first. Let's open the box together and discover her properly. I want to take our time with this one because I have a feeling there are going to be lots of little details hiding in this beautiful outfit. Oh, there is a stand. The barreling is adjustable. And here is the instruction how to look to close eyelids. She is even prettier out of the box. Look at those beautiful green eyes and her long, soft-looking blonde hair with those gorgeous curls. Her expression is so sweet and almost dreamlike. She has such an innocent fairy tale feeling about her. And this outfit, wow! I absolutely love the combination of the deep blue, lace, gold details, and that beautiful floral fabric. These little chains, pearls, lace, and embroidery really make the outfit like a miniature couture costume. I would like to take her out of the box. When I look at her, I imagine that she has just stepped out from enchanted garden. Maybe she lives somewhere beyond the moonlight, surrounded by butterflies and magical creatures. And tonight, she has finally found her way into our collection. What beautiful shoes! These little roses, give some charm to them. Kayo Horaguchi, Pullip doll. This stand is adjustable, as they say. Look at this girl. Her name is Yumi no Kekara, Piece of Dream. The official description presents her as a part of a fairy tale world with winged animals and moonlight. And now I want to take a moment to look at her face, because I think this is where her personality really begins. The first thing you notice are those enormous, beautiful green eyes. They have such a soft, almost dreamy expression. She has classic Pullip look with the large eyes, but there is something especially gentle about her expression. She doesn't look mischievous or dramatic. To me, she looks almost as if she has just discovered something magical. Her eyes make me imagine that she has been wandering through an enchanted garden, surrounded by butterflies and flowers. And she has suddenly stopped to look at something beautiful. I also love her eyelashes. They are very soft. They make her eyes look even larger and give her a very delicate, feminine appearance. And her cheeks have a lovely soft blush, which adds warmth to her very pale complexion. And then there are her tiny, perfectly shaped lips. They have this soft coral pink color that gives her face just enough color without taking attention away from those gorgeous eyes. Her little nose and delicate feature make her look almost like a porcelain character from a fairy tale. And when I look at her expression, I can't help wondering, what is she thinking about? Now, let's take a closer look at this incredible outfit. The first things that caught my eye is the beautiful combination of blue, ivory, gold, and the colorful floral fabric. Her bodice is gorgeous deep navy blue, decorated with lace, tiny gold accents, and sparkling details. I especially love the little silver-toned buttons running down. They give the bodice almost a vintage storybook feeling. Around the neckline, we have this beautiful blue lace ruffle. It frames her face so nicely and makes the outfit look very elegant. And then we have all these little pearls, chains, and gold embellishment around her vest. They almost look like tiny pieces of jewelry sewn directly into the dress. But guys, look at the skirt. The fabric has this absolutely beautiful floral and butterfly print. There are so many colors hidden in it: blues, greens, pinks, yellow, and the little touches of some orange. It gives the outfit magical, garden feeling. And of course, we cannot forget this beautiful headpiece. Look at this little bow with the blue and gold details. And also Yume has stocking, lace stocking underneath. And now is a magical moment. I would like to take a look. Look what kind of lid Yumi has. It's artwork. Very good job. And I love your eyebrow. They are light brown and suits her perfectly. She really looks like she's just stepped out from enchanted garden. But she was sleeping. Like a sleeping princess. Wow. Here is the ability to just put eyelids a little bit, and her expression is totally different now.